Go. 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how do you do this? You go gently in the menzaida, but you keep the body connection. 1. Okay, now I let the go keep going backwards, and I put my leg there. 2, like this. I change direction with the right hand and the left hand, turning the girl. 3, and I step on the right leg. And now we go both on the break. 4. Then we go back. 5. I turn her with my right hand here because I have the hand around her, or I can push with the left a little bit. How do you prefer? Then we go 6. On the 7, I'm going to push the girl forward with my right hand and follow her left leg with my left leg. 7. Okay? On the 8, what do I do? I will close the girl to me like I close a book and give her the body connection. So that means 8, I don't make any steps, the guy just stays on the left and I bring the girl to me. 8. Okay? And then with the right leg, upper thigh connection and body connection, I can close 9, 10. That's it. Tanzen wir einmal schnell für euch.